So I'm in my bonnet and it's not coming off. It's that kind of day. I've managed to wrap all the gifts. So I have one more child, so let's do a wrap with me. Got my water, got my wrapping paper, scissors, and I'm not getting dressed for this. So if y'all don't like to see me like this, then I'm sorry. I apologize. But what's up, Rob? Oh gosh. Anyways, let's get to wrapping. Okay, guys. So last year I did one of these. Wrap with me. Got my scissors. Got my Sharpie because I'm that fancy. Got my tape. Gonna stick it right here. Target has one of these really fancy scissors, like a gold one. I need to get one because this is my kitchen scissors. Like, I cut meat with this and everything. Whatever. I have one child left, half of another, not half, but a quarter of another, and then some little odds and ends for the other kiddos. And for the hubby, like, let me fix myself because I can try a little bit, you know. There. Okay, so there. That's as good as it's gonna get, okay? Welcome to my world. The hubby's all done. I'm done wrapping for him. Look awake here. All right. Should be fully awake by now. Come on. Look awake. All right, got it. So I'm waiting on one more big gift, like the big gift for this child. I'm waiting on it. I'll put it up here in the thumbnail what I'm waiting for. I'll put it up on the screen what I'm waiting for. Where's my drink? Jason, can you bring my drink, please? I already wrapped 2 of her gifts. So the person I'm wrapping for right now is Destiny. And because she's a little detective, I had to put her somewhere upstairs.
No, Jaxson.
Ah, so good. Oh, cold water in the morning. Yes. Got my paper. I was gonna do individual wrapping paper for each child, and then Christmas morning give them the paper for them to go find it. But my kids have been like just on it this year. I don't know if it's because of the whole them being, you know, home, and they just want to look forward to something. I don't know. Having a rough morning with my autistic son, and that's just like, so we're gonna wrap some gifts, and usually I would pick a topic and we'll talk about it for a little bit, and then I would kind of like, you guys would just watch me wrap. But hey Rob, you want to help me wrap? Rob is looking sexy these days. Like, so topic of the day, or topic for this year, is just being a parent in this current state, like COVID. Like, I've never had to parent before. I don't think anybody have ever parented before being a parent. Right, Rob? Does that make sense? Whatever. Okay. No, being a parent during COVID, like overcompensating just because your kids are just stuck at home and having them be on technology when they feel like being on technology. And I feel like technology is slowly kind of trying to take over our family and trying to find a new norm with how long they get to be on technology, what they get to do, because everything is shut down. There's nowhere for them to go. They're so tired of being outside and playing. It's just so much that you can do right now with your kids. It's hard. It's hard in general. And for us, my main focus is to make sure that they are safe. And for us, we don't really take them anywhere. Even though a lot of places, not a lot of stuff are open, like, you know, regular stores and stuff are open, but I don't think there's any place open where, you know, like we used to take them to like Sky Zone and, you know, Chuck E. Cheese and all that germy place. there's no germy place for them to go. So it's kind of hard, and I'm kind of like proud of us as a nation and whole, and how everyone's dealing with the whole pandemic. And you know, you never know what life would be like in a crisis until you're actually in a crisis. So you know, you think of it as just like, I really couldn't survive. But here we are, what, 8, 9 months into it, and most of us, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, 9 months, and most of us have adopted this as our new norm, and we're just like going along because you don't have a choice. You really don't have a choice. But I hope you guys are staying well. And let's get wrapping. I have one big gift for her to wrap. And this year, I stuck all the kids' stuff because all my kids asked for clothes. So I stuck them in these big boxes from Dick's.
You asked for clothes, Jaxson?
Yeah, he did. What did you ask for? Tell Daddy what you asked for.
I asked for sweaters, tight
He asked for sweater, tight jeans. Excuse me. He asked for sweater, tight jeans, sweatpants. What else did you ask for?
I think shirts.
Shirts. He asked for shirts. Vans. He asked for a lot of stuff, and I didn't show y'all Jackson's stuff because you know my kiddos are the younger ones, especially the ones that are on YouTube, are nosy. So I showed the ones that are not really, this paper is much longer. I don't know about y'all. Rob thinks that wrapping gifts is like tedious, and he doesn't like to do it. I mean, he'll do it, but he doesn't, I don't think you guys can see what I'm doing. So, Rob thinks that I'm really good at wrapping gifts. And I think in a lot of families, the wife is always a good gift wrapper. And then the husband is just kind of like, whatever. I know Jennifer had shared with me that her hubby gives her gift cards. And then she usually spend it on the kiddos. But this year, I want you to actually go out and buy yourself something instead of thinking about your kids. Just go out and be selfish for a little bit. And think about you. Because after your kids are gone, you're going to be like, what have I done for myself? So me, I don't like to waste the wrapping paper. Like, I like to be very precise and then save the rest because I can always patch up a gift. I can always patch up another gift if I'm short. You know what I mean? So I don't like to waste the wrapping paper, if that makes any sense. But I've been wrapping gifts for 14 years now, so it's only fair that I'm good at it, right? Right, honey?
Yeah.
14 years, you would think that, you know, it's now a profession, it's a career at this point. It's not a hobby or anything, this is a full-on career. Like, I should be making money.
Like when you first got your skateboard.
So I'm gonna fast forward, a lot of this so that you guys are not bored of me sitting here wrapping gifts, but I'm gonna show y'all how I wrap a gift.
That'll take a lot
So,
of time.
I do my main part, like, you know, I do my main part, and then what I do is, I just come in, like right here, press down, and then I do my side, push my side in, like so, and then I come in and push the other side, like so, pull that up, and then I flip the box on its bottom, like so, and then I go in at the top right here, and just crease, hold. This is how you do it without wasting a ton of your tape. Because I only put a certain amount of tape.
It's only like 2.
A lot of people love tape. I'm not a taper. I only do at least a minimum of 4 pieces of tape per gift. So I might only do like 2. If I can get away with putting 2 pieces of tape on a gift,
Or sometimes
I'm
3.
going to. Sometimes you said what?
Or sometimes 3.
3, yeah. So that's done. Booyah! Flip it over.
Other
Okay.
side?
And sometimes I'll put gift tags on here, like, you know, the name tag.
2 or so.
And then some days I'm just lazy where I just write the name straight on the gift. Like Destiny. It's gonna go in the trash either way, so who cares? And boom,
That's this one.
got a gift right there.
And then the other gift card, what are they?
I already did 2 of hers, so we're gonna set them there. And fast forward the rest.
La da 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 oh oh oh, la da 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 oh oh oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's
It's all done.
supposed to be?
I have a few little odds and ends, but I'm not gonna stress myself. Thank you guys so much for watching this year's, I don't know what this is. And I'll see you guys next year, same time, same place. Don't be late. Bye guys.